Have you ever wished you could lose weight while you sleep? Imagine waking up feeling lighter, less bloated, and more energized, all without spending hours in the gym or following strict diet plans. If you've struggled with belly fat, slow metabolism, bloating, or water retention, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to reveal a powerful, all-natural tea that can help you lose weight faster by working with your body's natural fat-burning processes while you sleep. This tea isn't just another weight loss gimmick. It's a scientifically backed herbal infusion made with carefully selected ingredients that help speed up your metabolism, flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and improve digestion. By drinking this tea before bed, you're setting your body up for overnight fat burning, so you wake up feeling lighter, healthier, and more refreshed. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can a simple tea really help me lose weight? The answer is yes, and in this video, I'll explain exactly how it works, the key ingredients that make it so powerful, and the best way to prepare and drink it for maximum fat-burning effects. Plus, I'll share some extra weight loss tips to help you see results even faster. So stay tuned until the end, because this is one weight loss trick you won't want to miss. Losing weight is challenging, but losing belly fat specifically can feel nearly impossible. You might be eating healthy, exercising regularly, and still struggling to get rid of that stubborn belly fat. The truth is, belly fat is different from other types of fat in your body. It's not just about calories in versus calories out. There are hidden factors that make belly fat particularly difficult to burn. One of the main reasons belly fat is so stubborn is because it's metabolically active and highly responsive to hormones. Unlike fat in other areas of the body, belly fat, especially visceral fat, the fat surrounding your organs, is more biologically active, meaning it releases hormones and inflammatory substances that affect your metabolism. Visceral fat produces cytokines, which trigger inflammation and insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to burn fat efficiently. It also produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, which further encourages fat storage around the belly. Because of this, belly fat isn't just about excess weight. It's an active, hormonally driven fat that resists burning. Stress plays a massive role in belly fat accumulation. When you're constantly stressed, whether from work, finances, relationships, or even lack of sleep, your body releases cortisol, the hormone responsible for stress and survival responses. High cortisol levels lead to increased appetite and cravings for sugary, fatty, and salty foods. Fat storage around the abdomen, as cortisol directs fat to be stored in the midsection. Muscle breakdown, making it harder for your body to burn fat effectively. Even if you're eating healthy and working out, chronic stress can keep you from losing belly fat. That's why stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and quality sleep are just as important as diet and exercise. Many people overlook the importance of sleep when trying to lose weight, but it's one of the biggest factors influencing hormones and fat loss. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and less leptin, the hormone that tells you you're full. This leads to increased hunger and cravings, especially for high-carb and high-sugar foods. Slower metabolism, making it harder to burn calories. Higher cortisol levels, promoting belly fat storage. Even one night of bad sleep can make you hungrier the next day and slow down your metabolism. Studies have shown that people who get less than 6 hours of sleep per night have a higher percentage of belly fat than those who sleep 7 to 9 hours. If you're struggling to lose belly fat, prioritizing sleep should be one of your top goals. Create a bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed and aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. If you eat a lot of processed foods, sugary drinks, or refined carbs, your body constantly releases insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar. Over time, your cells become resistant to insulin, meaning your body needs to produce more and more of it to keep blood sugar levels stable. This leads to excess fat storage, especially in the belly area. Constant hunger and sugar cravings. Slower fat burning because insulin prevents fat from being used as energy. This is why cutting back on processed foods, sugar, and simple carbs, like white bread and pasta, can help regulate insulin levels and promote belly fat loss. Instead, Focus on high-fiber foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats to balance blood sugar and encourage fat burning. Even if you exercise regularly, if you sit for long hours at a desk or on the couch, it can slow down fat loss. Studies have shown that sitting for extended periods leads to slower metabolism, meaning fewer calories burned throughout the day, reduced circulation, leading to poor fat oxidation, fat burning, increased insulin resistance and fat accumulation, particularly around the belly. One way to counteract a sedentary lifestyle is by adding more movement throughout the day. Take short walking breaks every hour. Use a standing desk. Stretch or do light exercises during breaks. Walk after meals to improve digestion and metabolism. By increasing daily movement, you encourage your body to burn more fat naturally, even outside of workouts. As you age, your metabolism naturally slows down, and hormonal changes can make it harder to lose weight, especially in the belly area. For women, menopause leads to lower estrogen levels, which encourages fat storage in the abdomen. For men, testosterone levels decline, leading to muscle loss and a slower metabolism. To combat age-related belly fat, focus on strength training to maintain muscle and boost metabolism. Eat protein-rich foods to preserve lean muscle mass. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to accelerate fat loss. While age does make belly fat harder to lose, the right diet and exercise strategies can still make a huge difference. From an evolutionary perspective, your body is programmed to store fat in the midsection as a survival mechanism. During times of food scarcity, belly fat served as an energy reserve. This is why your body tends to hold onto belly fat longer than fat in other areas. It's a built-in survival strategy. To override this, you need to signal to your body that it's safe to burn fat. This means eating enough nutrients, not extreme dieting, which makes your body hold onto fat. Reducing stress so cortisol levels drop. Getting enough sleep to regulate fat-burning hormones. By taking a holistic approach, you can work with your body's natural systems to lose stubborn belly fat effectively. Many people struggle with weight loss because they focus only on diet and exercise without addressing the internal processes that affect fat storage and burning. This strange tea works by targeting 5 key factors that contribute to belly fat: slow metabolism, toxin buildup, blood sugar spikes, poor digestion, and high stress levels. When you drink this tea before bed, it works overnight to stimulate fat burning, detoxify your body, reduce bloating, and balance hormones, creating the perfect conditions for weight loss while you sleep. Green tea is one of the most effective natural fat burners, thanks to its high levels of catechins and antioxidants. Catechins are compounds that help break down stored fat, increase fat oxidation, and enhance thermogenesis, a process where your body burns more calories by increasing its core temperature. Studies show that drinking green tea can boost metabolism by 4 to 10%, helping your body burn more calories, even at rest. Green tea contains EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a powerful antioxidant that works with caffeine to increase fat burning, especially around the belly. The compounds in green tea help control hunger hormones, making it easier to eat fewer calories throughout the day. Drinking green tea before bed helps your body continue burning fat overnight, especially when combined with other metabolism-boosting ingredients like ginger and cinnamon. Ginger tea is a powerful natural thermogenic, meaning it raises body temperature and increases calorie burn. It also improves digestion, reduces bloating, and fights inflammation, all of which are important for weight loss. Ginger contains gingerol, which speeds up the body's metabolism and increases fat burning. Reduces bloating. Ginger is excellent for soothing the digestive system, preventing gas buildup, and improving digestion. Ginger helps control appetite by increasing feelings of fullness, reducing late-night cravings. Drinking ginger tea before bed allows your body to digest food better, reduces bloating overnight, and helps prevent fat accumulation while you sleep. Cinnamon tea is an amazing spice for fat loss because it helps regulate blood sugar, reduce fat storage, and improve metabolism. High blood sugar levels lead to increased insulin production, which signals the body to store more fat, especially around the belly. Cinnamon helps prevent insulin spikes, which means your body stores less fat and burns more calories. Cinnamon has been shown to activate thermogenesis, leading to more calories burned. By keeping blood sugar levels stable, cinnamon helps curb sugar cravings, preventing late-night snacking. Drinking cinnamon tea before bed ensures that your blood sugar remains stable overnight, reducing fat storage and promoting fat burning instead. Turmeric tea is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices and helps detoxify the liver, which plays a crucial role in breaking down fat and flushing out toxins. When your liver is overloaded with toxins, it slows down fat metabolism, making weight loss more difficult. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, supports liver function, helping your body burn fat more effectively. Chronic inflammation can lead to weight gain and fat retention, especially around the belly. Turmeric reduces this inflammation, making fat loss easier. Turmeric stimulates bile production, which helps your body break down fat more efficiently. Drinking turmeric tea before bed allows your body to detoxify and flush out toxins overnight, improving digestion and enhancing fat metabolism. Lemon tea is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that help detoxify the body, boost digestion, and accelerate fat burning. It also alkalizes the body, reducing acidity and preventing bloating. Lemon juice helps the liver break down toxins and fats, making it easier for your body to metabolize fat. The citric acid in lemon helps stimulate digestive enzymes, which improve fat breakdown. Lemon acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out excess water and reducing bloating. Drinking lemon tea before bed helps your body flush out toxins overnight, leading to less bloating and a flatter stomach in the morning. Honey tea is a natural fat-burning ingredient that also improves digestion and promotes better sleep. It provides a small amount of natural sugar, which helps regulate blood sugar levels while preventing late-night cravings. Honey activates stored fat in the body, making it easier to burn. Good sleep is crucial for weight loss, and honey helps regulate hormones that promote deep sleep. The natural sweetness of honey curbs sugar cravings and prevents late-night snacking. Adding honey to your nighttime tea helps stabilize blood sugar and improve sleep quality, which is essential for effective weight loss. Losing weight, especially stubborn belly fat, can feel like an uphill battle, but the right herbal tea can give your body the extra push it needs to burn fat while you sleep. These powerful, natural teas work by boosting metabolism, reducing bloating, balancing hormones, and flushing out toxins, helping you wake up feeling lighter and healthier. From green tea's metabolism-boosting properties to ginger and turmeric's ability to fight inflammation, each tea we discussed plays a unique role in accelerating fat burning and improving digestion. When combined with a healthy diet, regular movement, and quality sleep, these teas can significantly enhance your weight loss journey and help melt belly fat faster. However, while these teas are effective, they are not a magic solution. The best results come from consistency and a balanced lifestyle. To get the most out of your fat-burning tea, make sure to drink it regularly before bed to allow your body to work overnight. Pair it with a healthy, nutrient-dense diet to avoid excess fat storage. Stay hydrated and active to keep your metabolism running efficiently. Reduce stress and get enough sleep to prevent hormonal imbalances that lead to weight gain. With the right combination of natural ingredients and healthy habits, you can speed up your weight loss, reduce belly fat, and feel more energized every day. So why not start tonight? Brew yourself a cup of one of these powerful teas, relax, and let your body do the work while you sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which tea you're excited to try first. See you in the next video.